if you are writing biology exam, JAMB exam, move closer. Let me teach you a secret, right? Very easy to know. Now, nutrients, when we talk about minerals, right, you have to understand they are inorganic, substance which regulate chemical reactions. While vitamins, they are what? They are organic substance that also does the same thing, chemical reactions. But you have to also understand that there are 7 macronutrients. Now, when they mean macronutrients, these are what? These are large nutrients, right? Macro. Micro, they are small, Abi. Okay. They are they are small, they are needed in small quantity. Like this one is macro, they are like bigger one. Now, there is a way to know that. You must also note that macro, they are just 7, while this one they are just 5. But how do I know the 5? How do I know the 7? That is why this particular mnemonic is there. MIP CSP, MIP CSP, and this one is M squared CBZ. Now, the reason why you have to know this is that JAMB will ask you which of this is not a macro or which of this is not a micronutrient. That's how to teach this anyways. Now, this one stands for magnesium. This one stands for iron. This one stands for nitrogen. This one stands for what? Potassium. This one stands for what? Calcium. This one stands for what? Sulfur. Why does it stand for what? Phosphorus. Phosphorus. Now, there's a reason why I even use these mnemonics. It's because this magnesium and iron, they are what is needed for chlorophyll formation. So if these guys are deficient, you will see what? That green color, because the chlorophyll inside the chloroplast is what's necessary for the green color of the plant, of the green plant. So you see that yellowing of leaves, we call it the leaves will be what? Variegated. Understand? So please take note of this. Magnesium and iron, Mi. You know that Mi that sinks now. Mi, they are the one necessary for what? Chlorophyll formation. So the deficiency of these two guys can lead to what? Yellowing of leaves. This is a JAMB question. So these are the 7. MIP CSP. MIP CSP. Take note of that. What is this? Now don't forget there is M here, but the M here is different. This M here is manganese. And this one is what? Molybdenum. Molybdenum. Why this one is copper, this one is boron, and this one is zinc. So if they ask you which of this is not, which of this is, so you just be able to solve it with this simple mnemonics: M squared CBZ, then MIP CSP. Okay, there are 7 and there are 5. So with this, I hope you're able to like pass this particular thing. Maybe I should do biology. I should be doing biology. Okay, I will try. Some people said I should be teaching them everything, but I just want to focus on chemistry before. But I can teach you anything. Actually, let me do English now. Safe. Anyways, you see that love button. Yeah, it's for like. The second one is for comments now. Okay? They are comments. The second one, the next one is for share. They are share to your friends. That means it. What again?